Hello, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to talk about how to solve inequalities. If you don't know what inequality is an expression between two numbers or two quantities that is either not equal or possibly equal. For example, if we have a number that is greater than or equal to these symbols, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than or equal to. But what this expression means, or inequality, it means that the solution to this inequality could either mean that the number is greater than the other number on the other side of the expression, or it's equal to the expression. Let's say, for example, that the number on the other side is 7. Another thing which is helpful is to use a number line. But one thing you need to know while using number lines to solve these inequalities, you either have to use an open circle or a closed circle for these. The difference between an open and closed circle is that an open circle means that the number on the other side is not included in the equation, while a closed circle means the number is included in the equation. Judging from this expression, that means that 7 is a part of the equation. But since this equation is asking for a number greater than 7, that means we can go along the number line throughout the left side. Meanwhile, on the right side, that contains numbers lower than 7 are not solutions. So we can cross those out and remove them. So any number greater than 7 or equal to 7 is a solution to this inequality. Like, for example, 7.5 is a solution because it is 5/10 more than 7. Therefore, it's a solution. Another thing you need to know is using real-world scenarios to make an inequality make sense. For example, like an elevator can hold up to about, let's say, 5 people. And I'm using models to help me with this equation. So that means the elevator can either hold less than or equal to 5 in this elevator. And when we use a number line, we can only use whole numbers to make the equation make sense. Using fractions doesn't make the equation make sense. For example, 2.5 is a solution, but it's not one that makes sense in this scenario. Like, you can't have 2.5 people. That's physically impossible. So, instead of going all the way to the number line, you can only use whole numbers for these types of equations. So, any of these numbers which are whole numbers, are a solution to this inequality. I hope you've learned something from this simple video, and I apologize for talking so quietly. It's currently very late right now, and I don't want to wake anyone up. So, I hope you learned something, and goodbye.